Welcome back to Uptime.com and to our video explanation of advanced check settings. If you're not familiar with how to create a basic check from our main checks page, take a look at our video on HTTPS check setup to get started. Once you've configured the basic settings for your check, URL, locations, and interval, you can start to add even more customizations for how your check runs and for how and when you receive alerts. Most Uptime.com checks advanced settings are universal, but they can vary based on check type. So for this example, we're going to stick with our HTTPS check. In the Edit Check window, we have 4 tabs: Basic, Advanced, Escalations, and Maintenance. Now let's move on to Advanced Settings. The Advanced tab is where you can customize thresholds for how you are alerted. It starts with the sensitivity, or the number of locations that need to fail for a check to be considered down. Number of retries is how many times your check will retry at your set interval before failing. You can set your IP version and customize your check's timeout threshold. The target SLA values do not trigger alerts, but you can customize them to reflect your check's uptime and response time in relation to your targets on our SLA reports. This is also where you can select the HTTPS checker version that we covered in the HTTPS setup video. This feature is specific to the HTTPS advanced settings. Any notes put into the notes field will be sent with your check's alerts. Next is our Escalations tab, which also works with your account's contacts. The contact field under the Basic tab will alert your set contacts at the time your check fails. Escalations alert based on configured time. You can add multiple escalation contacts with multiple alert timeframes to make sure that the right people are alerted the longer your check stays down. With the repeat times option, you can specify the number of times the escalation notification will be repeated. The final tab is our Maintenance tab. You can place the check under Maintenance now, or you can create a recurring maintenance schedule, which can be a one-off and based on weekly or monthly needs. This completes our coverage of advanced check settings. For more information, check out the rest of our video library, or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com.